So hello sir, let's proceed to activity 2 for DynamoDB. So punta tayo sa ating Amazon S3, no? Sa Amazon DynamoDB. So yan. And then create lang tayo ng table dito. And then enter lang tayo ng name ng table. So sabihin lang natin is Dynamo DB demo. So dito, maglagay lang tayo ng partition key, which is the user ID. Yan. Tapos, scroll down lang natin and create table. So, wait lang natin to hanggang maging active. So, nagki-create pa lang siya. So, yan, active na siya. And then, click lang natin tong table na ginawa natin. And then, maglalagay lang tayo dito ng action or gagawa tayo ng action. So, pindutin lang natin yan and then create item. And then, kung may makikita natin dito may mga attributes. So, lagyan na natin ng, maglalagay tayo ng value. So, sabihin lang natin 2. Ayan. And then, kung gusto natin mag-add ng new attributes, meron ditong string numbers, boolean, binary, none, string set, number set, and then, try natin ng string, which is the fname. Ayan. Fname. And then, sabihin natin, Joven. And then, add tayo ulit. Lname. Ayan. Gamboa. And, try naman natin ng number, which is age, syempre. Age. 21. Then, yung parang sa inyo, sir. So, sabihin natin 1. What is your answer? What is your answer? So, create item na natin yan. And then, so, the item has been saved successfully. So, gawa pa tayo ng isa. So, table, DynamoDB. Same process lang. Sabi natin 4. And then, add fname, Brandhal, lname, natividad, age, let's say 25, and then same as what is your answer. So that's it, create item. So dito pwede din natin itong view table details, then explore table details or table items. So dito may 2 choices tayo, which is the scan and query. So kapag sa query, may makikita tayo ditong user ID partition. So kung ilalagay natin dito yung nilagay nating key value, kunwari, ang ginawa natin is kanina is the user ID 2 and 4. So kung nilagay natin dito 4, so kung irara natin yan, so ito ang magiging output nun. So mahahanap niya yung nilagay nating key dito, which is the Brandal. So pag nilagay naman natin is 2, so kung iraran natin, so ang lalabas dito is the my name. So yan. So dito naman sa scan, may makikita tayong filters dito, which is the attributes, name, type, condition, and value. So kung ilalagay natin dito user ID, and then the value is for same as lang din, yan, and then try natin yung 2 and 1. So yun, so remove, and then so yun lang po for DynamoDB demo.